Game Dev Journey. Hey everyone, it's Rob here from Game Dev Journey. Welcome to episode 12 of my series promoting the Godot Game Engine and where you can learn how to use it. Godot version 4 is just around the corner, so now is the perfect time to start your game dev journey with Godot. I've been trawling the internet to find new Godot game dev content, and it's looking pretty thin on the ground. So I'm going to start a new series promoting content which can teach you about game dev in general. So look out for that in the near future. ACreates is your one-stop shop for all things game dev related. Started about a year ago by a very inspiring creator, she uploads step-by-step game dev tutorials for a variety of engines, and there are a lot of good ones there for Godot. There are also a lot of great indie developer interviews on the channel. Steam keys are also given away. Primarily, her tutorials cover GameMaker and Godot. The feedback on her channel is really positive. I want to encourage you to visit ACreates and support her. A channel which has been around for a while, but which I only discovered recently, is called Game Developers. The channel has content which will help all game developers grow in their knowledge. They've done a similar thing to what I've done on my channel, and that is to create the same tutorial for multiple game engines. This allows you to compare the workflow in the different engines. They have tutorials for gdevelop, Unity, Construct, Defold, Flex, and of course, Godot. It's really interesting to see how the same games come together in different engines, so I highly recommend that you pay them a visit. Andrew Hoffman is the best-selling author of O'Reilly's Web Application Security book, a resource on exploitation and countermeasures for modern web applications. He's a senior software security engineer at Salesforce and now Coinbase, I believe, so he really knows his stuff. Well, recently he started to produce Godot game dev tutorials on his channel, and he details things like creating infinite procedural maps, making a platformer, creating a 2D RPG, and so on, all in Godot. It's really encouraging to see a professional software engineer warming to the Godot engine so much. Please visit the channel and see what else Andrew has to offer. Cryptic Coding is another great all-round game development channel, and yes, there are many tutorials using our favorite engine, Godot. However, there's a wide range of videos with educational content for Unity, GameMaker Studio, Affinity Designer, Photoshop, GIMP, as well as game design ideas and level design. There really is a wealth of content on this channel, and the creator uploads regularly. This is a channel to subscribe to and check on, as you'll learn a lot that you can apply in your own projects. Finally, FreeCodeCamp has a great tutorial on making a 2D platform game in Godot from start to finish. The video is over an hour long, but it's a great starting point for newcomers to Godot. We all know the quality of FreeCodeCamp content by now, but that makes this video even more interesting, because they have the same video creating the same game, but in Unity this time. So if you go through both videos, you can get a nice comparison between the two engines, something which I know a lot of you are interested in. That's it for this week. It's good to be back. Thanks for joining me, and I hope to see you all again next time.